equal to this. Equal to this. हमारे केवल मूल्य से हमारे खाते की फॉलो करना है। सपोज फॉलो एक वेबसाइट इंस्ट्रक्शन नीचे give it to you. Very good friend. Last time we had discussed passing argument is passing object as an argument. Okay. Now in this case, I had given you an exercise also with respect to time class. Will you solve that? Yes, sir. Do you find any difficulty in that program in class time? Also, do you find any difficulty in that? Okay. Now, moving further, give the heading, give the next heading. Give the next heading to be friend function. Just I'm doing friend function. Give the heading to be friend function. Chalo. Let us not discuss technical. Let us discuss these two words which I have given to you. Friend function. What do you understand by this? If I say friend function, this concept is only there in C++. Later on, higher order languages like Java, .NET, this concept is removed. Okay, but still it is there in C++. We need to learn. So, what do you mean by this simple two words? Friend function. Make it a 3-star question. If there would be an interview based on your C++ or it would be your mid exam or it would be your final exam, then the probability of this question out of 5-star I have given it to be 3-star. Repeating my point, see the importance. So friend function. Just tell me what do you get by the term friend function? Yes. Friend function. Yes. Technical moving. Why not near to the answer I can say. Not the same. Near to the answer. Sorry. Restrictions now no. एक बीजाना member function will be object यहाँ पर. वो friends का. Something common near to the answer. एक बीजाने help करे. Function के एक बीजाने help करे. आपने एक बीजाने help करी. Function क्या करे? No. बीजाने पूछवानो नहीं यूज કરી શકાય. Okay, come nearer. Area of mobile phone. Yeah. This phone belongs to the area. Can I use it? Can I use it? I'm talking ideally, not practically. Can I use it? Can I use it? I'm talking in ideal case. This is the private property of the area. Can I use it? That means the members of the class are private to that particular class. If I want to access any of the member of any of the class, I can make them as friend of mine. Means only functions. Only functions. No data members. Like no variables I'm talking. Only functions. What I did, I made a friendship with Dhairya. Dhairya, please, we are friends. Can you allow me to access your mobile phone? It is Dhairya's right to allow it or not. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? So whatever are the functions of the class, if class owner means the one who makes the class, one who designs the class owner can get access of some property to be friend. હું કોઈને friend બનાવી શકું. I can make someone to be friend, or someone can make me to be the friend, but only functions. Nothing else can be made as friend. Are you getting my point? We'll see the demo, so it will be more clear at that point. Are you getting my point? All of you? What I mean to say by friend function, functions can be made as a friend. Sir, what is the benefit? Before talking programmatically, let me tell you one of the best benefits. I can access the private members of the class. Using friend function, it was his private property. I accessed it as I made him to be friend. Say, for example, let me give you another example. PAN card or Aadhaar card is my private property. Nobody have right on it. But say, for example, I am out of station and some emergency came and these two documents are to be submitted at some place. What will I do? Will I come back from out of station immediately? What will I do? I will give some authority to my friend that so and so is my friend. Say, for example, Dhairya is my friend. I give the authority to Dhairya. Dhairya, please do me a favor that I am out of station. Please take my Aadhaar card and PAN card and submit it to this location. So what I did, can I say I made Dhairya to be my friend and I allowed him to access my private members. Private members means Aadhaar card, PAN card. Same way in our case, class members. Did you get the theory? First of all, if you will get the theory, then I can show you programming. Are you sure with my point, everyone? Friend, vicharo, friend. Simply, friend. Being it to be a friendship there. Friend, similar concept. Friend is basically used to access the private members of the class. Actually, ideally, ક્યારે થાય નહીં. એટલે જ, for example, I talk of Java, this concept has been removed. In ideal case, it should not happen that I can access the private members of the class, making it to be friend, which is unethical, which is illogical. But C++ has given this concept. Later on, it was removed from other languages. Is it fine? So, what is the important usage of friend function? To access the private members of the class. Okay, let's see an example. Is it fine now? Online people, are you clear with my statements, or should I repeat it? Okay. Basically, friend function is used to access the private members of the class. Now the question comes how? Okay. Let's write an example. I'm writing a class test in which I am declaring two numbers, integer A and integer B. What is the type of it? Access specifier? Private, as I had not mentioned the section. So what is the access specifier? Private. Is it fine, everyone? Okay. Now I am writing a public section in which I am writing void get data. The function which I had made it is used for the purpose of getting the data from user. You get the logic of the program, what I want to do. So don't worry. Is it fine?
Sorry, friends, I got disconnected due to some technical issues. Now, am I audible, everyone? Am I audible, everyone, now? Okay, okay, thank you, thank you. I don't know from where we skipped. Can you just guide me from where we skipped?
સર તમે ખાલી સી ને સી આઉટ લખ્યું હતું, પછી તમે એમ કીધું હતું પબ્લિક નો પ્રાઇવેટ નો લખી એટલે એ પ્રાઇવેટ જ કહેવાય બસ ત્યાંથી.
Okay, okay. Oh, from that point. Oh, sorry. Okay, I hope my screen is visible. Okay, thank you. Oh. Okay, online people, please respond to my questions. Is it fine till this? Is there any problem? Online people, please respond.
સર ખાલી આ ટેસ્ટ ગેટ ડેટા સુધી તમે લખેલું હતું અને પબ્લિક નું તમે કીધેલું હતું.
After get data, I have defined this method. Function get data, and I had written void main, wherein I am making an object of class test t1, and I am doing t1 dot get data. Is there any problem with this, everyone? Please respond. I am not able to see your chat messages, please. So don't write anything in the chat. Is it fine? Any problem with this? What I did, I make a class test wherein two members are there, A and B, which are private, and when function is there, that is void get data. I defined that function outside the class by entering A and B from the user. In void main, I made an object of this class, and I called the function t1.getData, which is used for getting the data from the user. Is it fine? Let's enter 5 and 7. Is it fine? All of you? Is it fine, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Thank you. Now moving to the friend function. All of you, please concentrate. Now moving to the friend function. Now, outside this class, see, outside the class test, what I am making is I am making a function named as average. This is not the member of the class. What I want to do is I want this average to take the average of these two numbers A and B. If this function average would have been the member of this class, then of course I can access this private members A and B directly. Yes or no? Yes or no? But as this function average is not the member of the class, what I need to do is I need to make this function as friend function of this class. So this is the way of making function friend. But as I have declared in this class, that doesn't mean that average is the function, average function is the member of that class. You have to simply check that if a keyword friend is written over here, if it is written, that means this function is not the member of that class. Do you agree with this? That means it is some external function. But I need to say that this function is my friend. So I need to allow this function to access my private members. Okay, but question comes, how it can access? It do not have access to the object. So for that, always remember, you need to pass object as an argument to this friend function. Okay, so I have passed the object of test class, and now I am taking the average. You are knowing how to take the average. How to take the average? Can I say float, sorry, float average is equals to A plus B whole thing divided by 2? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. But my question comes is A and B, are they declared in this function? They are the members of class test, which I have already passed. So can I write T dot A? Can I write T dot B? Average is done. So can I now print the average? See out average is equals to AVG. Is it fine? Yes or no? Now again my main point comes. Why we use friend function? To access the private members of the class. Can I say A and B are the private members of class test, which I have accessed using outside function? Means the function who is not the member of that class. Got the concept now? Now question comes, how to call this function? Is it a member of the class? My question, just understand my question very carefully. Is average function member of class test? Chalo, if it would have been a member of class test, then how you would have called? Object dot, can I say T1 dot average? But is average member of that class? Then how need to call? Who will say average is member of which class? Average koi class no member che? No, it is itself an entity. So you need to directly call average without anything, passing object T1. Very simple, it becomes a normal function as of now, because it is outside the class. Is it fine? Let us compile it. Let us run it. Let's say I enter 10, I enter 20, what should be my average? Is it fine? Sir, આ એવરેજ બનાવવા માટે એવરેજ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવા માટે કેવડો મોટો પ્રોગ્રામ છે. But again this is the example I have taken to make you understand trend. Okay, are you getting my point? All of you, any doubts with this? Please write down this program. Please write down this program.
હેલો સર.
Yes.
સર આપણે ફ્રેન્ડ વોઇડ એવરેજ ટેસ્ટ લીધેલી છે.
હા.
સર નીચે આપણે અને વોઇડ એવરેજ લખી એની આગળ ફ્રેન્ડ લખી શકાય કે ન લખી શકાય?
ના, not needed.
ઓકે.
જે જગ્યાએ તમારે ફ્રેન્ડ બનાવવો હોય ને ત્યાં ફ્રેન્ડ યુઝ કરવાનું. સી એક્ચ્યુઅલ વોઇડ એવરેજ ફંક્શન જે છે ઈ ફ્રેન્ડ નથી, પણ એને કોનો ફ્રેન્ડ બનાવવો છે ને અહીંયા લખવાનું. તો કે I am saying that I want to make this average function as a friend of class test. That's why I mentioned friend in class test. Is it fine?
Yes sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, then what cannot be accessed by friend function?
What cannot be? I cannot say you can access anything using friend.
So what's the difference between writing and not writing then?
Over here? Okay, very good,
Yes.
very good, absolutely correct. Now you tell me if I don't make, sorry. Who was there online? Who asked me this question?
Sir, me, Dhiren.
Sorry?
Dhiren, sir.
Dhiren, you are absolutely correct. See, now I am not making this average function as a friend of this class. Do you agree? I commented.
Yes, sir.
Now I am compiling, just see the errors. See, over here I have accessed A and B in this average function, which are private
sir.
members of the class. See this error. You get two errors. What are the two errors? Test A is not accessible. Test B is not accessible. Got the
But
point?
sir, why are we making it as a friend? We can't directly add it as a member of it.
Because sorry, repeat your question, Dhiren.
Sir, why are we making it as a friend of this class? We can't directly add it as a member.
In some cases, while you are doing your programming projects, in some cases it may happen that some of the members, I am going to the next example only, some of the members of one class and some of the members of say class 2, I want to use them together. So at that time I can make both as a friend and I can access it.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay, and main usage is to access the private members of the class. See, right now I am not able to access these private members. Do you agree with this? But
Yes, sir.
once I do this, that in case of this function, if I make it to be friend, then I can access the private members. See, no errors. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, please note down this program, all of you. See, to understand one keyword, we learned a complete example. Yes. Past even a right set, but we allow to know that because it will get copied. Always remember that whenever I call the function, એમાં જે પાસ કરીશ એ બધું અહીંયા કોપી થશે. It will be one way, the other round, it will be copied. Okay, so I can access it over here by any name. Same name થી કરી શકું, D1 એ કરી શકું, X એ કરી શકું, T એ કરી શકું, anything I can do. Okay. All are requested to write the program. એક વસ્તુ તો ખ્યાલ આવશે કે ફ્રેન્ડ ક્યાં વપરાય, કોઈ વસ્તુ તો યાદ નહીં. next example is out. Right? આપણે private ને access કરવા તો તેના ફંક્શન ના બનાવાય. પણ આ એક example છે. આવી રીતે એક ગ્રુપ બનશે. we taking that example. મારી પાસે બે ક્લાસ અને two classes કે જેમાં મારે એક મેમ્બર છે એક ક્લાસ માં યુઝ કરવો છે અને બીજો મેમ્બર બીજા ક્લાસ માં યુઝ કરવો. તો મારે બે ફ્રેન્ડ બનાવવા જ પડે. and that two both are private members. Public you can access it, the private is a complete file by default way. Okay, because private is the highest security. So completed? All of you, is it completed? Okay. Now I am modifying the same program. And first time I am introducing to you people that in a single CPP file, I can write more than one class. Right now, can I say I am having class test? What I am renaming it to be, let's say I am making it class number 1. And in that I am keeping one member to be, let's say, integer A. And I am keeping this same function get data. Is it fine? I am defining the function, let's say number 1 get data, and in this I am only taking A. આમાં કે પ્રોબ્લેમ છે અહીંયા સુધીમાં? average ના જોતા હો હમણાં. Just don't go through this average right now. Now I am making another class. Named as number 2. And I am taking again A. Can I do that? Can I do this? Yes, because this A belongs to which class? This A belongs to which class? Do you agree with this? Now my exercise is that I want, oh sorry, one thing remaining, sorry. Same way, get data are also same for both the classes. I need to define the function. Is it fine? But what change I need to do over here? Now this get data function is of which class? Number 2. Do you agree with this? Before moving further, બંને class properly એકવાર જોઈ લો. Just go through these classes. Don't write right now. લખતા નહીં please. This is the time to write. Firstly, what we learned? We can have more than one class in a single file. N number of classes. Sir, कोई limit હોય 10, 20, 30, 100, 200, any number in a single file. But कराई नहीं हो क्या? Don't do it. In Java, you will learn how we can prevent this. In C++, you don't want to learn right now. Now, you have to tell me if you can observe it, everything is same in both the classes except class name. Is it valid? Repeating my point again, that in both the classes everything is same, all members are same. Integer get data, integer get data. Is it valid? Yes, it is valid because class names are different. કે મારી પાસે મોબાઈલ ફોન ના હોઈ શકે, એની પાસે હોય તો મારી પાસે ના હોઈ શકે, પાછા બે પાસે સેમ મોબાઈલ ફોન ના હોઈ શકે, પણ કહેવાય કેવી રીતે? આ ધૈર્યનો ફોન ને આ મારો. Do you agree with this? So I can have same members but the owners are different. Is it fine everyone? Okay, now what I want to do it over here is I want to take the average of this A and this A. What do I need to do? What do I need to do? You have to guide me. I am having this average function already written. This average function is already I am having. What modification I need to do to this average function?
So T1 and T2.
Exactly, I need to change the first of all the parameters over here. So which parameters? Number 1 N1, comma number 2 N2. Now in average what I need to do the change? N1 dot A and N2 dot A. Sorry, A. Is it fine? Is it fine? Now let's go to void main. Instead of T1 dot, I need to remove this object. What I need to write? Number 1 N1, number 2 N2. Is it fine? Is it fine? Okay. So what I need to write over here? N1 dot get data, N2 dot get data. Now I need to call average. Average, what I need to pass? N1 comma N2. Should I compile it? Is it correct? Absolutely. I have not made this average as the average as the friend of both the classes. Have I made it? ચાલો આપણે નથી બનાવતા, શું થાય જો. What is the error? નંબર 1 નો એ accessible નથી, નંબર 2 નો એ પણ accessible નથી. Why? Because both are A and A, both A are private, so we cannot access it. Is it fine? Is it fine, everyone? But so for if I want to access it, what I need to do? What I need to do? Can I say I need to make friend void average number 1 comma number 2? Is it fine? In declaration it is fine if you don't like the object name or parameter name. Is it fine? Hello. Now is it fine? Just let us check it out. Still errors. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Friend બનાવો છો એટલે સ્પેસિફાઈ કરવું પડશે. I am extremely ના કંઈક બીજી error છે. Just a minute. Just a minute. I'm doing some mistake at some point of time. Just a minute. I'm getting some technical problem also. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I'm getting issue right now, so that's why I'm getting disconnected. Sorry for that. Okay, friends, I need to check out. I am sorry for that, but some mistake I am doing. Compiler is not doing any mistake. So I'll check it out and let you know into the next lecture.
Sir, excuse me.
Yes, yes.
Sir, is it necessary to declare number one N1 and number two N2 in when we declare it as friend in
No,
class?
it is not. Over here, it is not required. But somehow I'm facing some problem. That's why I tried. But it is not required.
Okay.
There's some mistake getting over here. I'm not able to recollect why I'm getting this mistake. Okay, fine. I think I am stopping here at this point. We'll check it out into the next lecture. So all are requested to put your enrollment numbers in the chat box.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
sir, in the main function, average function was commented.
That is fine, but with respect to compilation, it should not create a problem. That is not the problem.
Okay.
If I remove it, then also it is not working. I'm facing some syntactical issues I am not getting right now. I'll solve it, don't worry. So this is the real thing what I wanted to say. At this point of time also we get errors. Okay, so everything what we need to do is we need to learn from errors. That is what is our real role is. Okay, so it happens every time when you do the coding, it happens, you get the errors. So try to rectify those errors. Okay, and simple way is you are knowing. Okay, it's very simple. I'll simply open the Google friend function in C++. I'll get the various links available. Let's say I'm going for Geek for Geeks. See, what is the example they had given? Friend class linked list. They had made a class to be a friend, which we do not require right now. So let's go for some other, whichever is easier for us to understand. Another link, which is relevant to our example. See, our things are same. We have done the same thing. Okay, but let's see the example what they are saying. See, this is the first example which we had taken. Our standard two numbers example. Mean was there over here. That is what we did the same thing, but we modified it. Now this is what we are seeing. This is not what we example which we are seeing. Now see, I don't want, I do not have over here what I wanted. Okay, so don't worry, you can find it out in this way only. You can resolve our errors. Google is our best friend. Google is our best friend. PC2 first. Nine zero. One. PC2. PC2 135. Anyone left out for DC2? DC3. 10. Who is 10? 7. 11. 12. 14. 27. 18. 20. 21. Well, thank you all of you.